Hey, hi, or Namaskara. Myself, Sharad Dikshit from Sutrar Project Consultancy. Basically, we are a software company located in Pune. We build software products for financial institution and business organizations. We have given our product nearly 40 cooperative societies in Belgaum, Uttara Kannada. We have given two places, one in Ankola, Dwarka, and another one in Mystique, Karwar. Nowadays, the less paperwork and we are moving towards digital transaction. May I ask how many members are there in your society or controlled? Suppose we give you a mechanism where you are provided with a QR code, where Dwarka is already implementing with Axis Bank. So your low cost deposit will increase dramatically once the sellers were able to use it. ಹೇ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಥವಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸೂತ್ರದ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟಿಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಶರದ್ ದೀಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೂಲತಃ ನಾವು ಪುಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ನಾವು ಹಣಕಾಸು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯ ಸುಮಾರು 40 ಸಹಕಾರ ಸಂಘಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಕೋಲಾದ ದ್ವಾರಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಸ್ಟಿಯ ಕಾರವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಗದದ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಡಿಮೆಯಾಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ವಹಿವಾಟಿನತ್ತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸದಸ್ಯರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಖಾತೆದಾರರು ಎಂದು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು? ದ್ವಾರಕ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಗತಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. QR ಕೋಡನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒದಗಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತೇವೆ ಎಂದು ಭಾವಿಸೋಣ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮಾರಾಟಗಾರರು ಅದನ್ನು ಬಳಸುವಾಗ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡಿಮೆ ವೆಚ್ಚದ ಠೇವಣಿ ನಾಟಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಡ್ರಾಮಾಟಿಕಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್. Data analysis intro. Hello, my name is Sharad Dikshit and I am a detail-oriented and result-driven data analyst with over 3 years of experience in the end-to-end ownership of visualization and dashboard for operations. I have proven expertise in metrics analysis and strong proficiency in Microsoft Excel, data analysis tools, and excellent communication and presentation skills. In my current role at Sutradhar Project Consultancy Private Limited as a product executive, I led the end-to-end ownership of visualization and dashboarding for operations. Creating team-level dashboards, I apply my knowledge of payroll, taxation, and salary management in data analysis processes and ensure the accuracy of quarterly and monthly reports, providing actionable insights for informed decision making. I also conduct metric analysis, create ad hoc data analysis, and collaborate with cross functional teams to enhance operational efficiency. One of my notable achievements in this role is leading a dynamic anti money laundering data analysis project. I utilized advanced analytics to detect and mitigate financial risks, leveraging data driven insights to enhance compliance strategies, optimize risk assessment processes, and ensure robust AML frameworks. This project significantly contributed to safeguarding financial integrity by implementing proactive measures based on comprehensive data analysis. Prior to my current role, I worked as an associate consultant at T Systems India Private Limited, when- where I demonstrated and proficiency in Microsoft Excel, including advanced functions like macros, pivot tables, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, etc. I applied my skills in data validation, sorting, duplicates handling, and conditional formatting. My team achieved a major breakthrough by applying predictive analytics to anticipate potential issues in enterprise applications, leading to improved security, optimized resource allocation, and future-ready operations. On the academic front, I had a Bachelor of Engineering in Information Science from CMR Institute of Technology, Bangalore. What is data analysis? Data analysis is the process of collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data to find useful information. It's an important part of scientific research and businesses, where data driven decision making is becoming more common.